Hey there! In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step on how to create an app password for Microsoft Outlook Office 365 in 2026, so you can securely sign in on different apps and devices. Make sure to follow the instructions till the end. To create an app password, first you must know how to create a two verification method of the Microsoft 365. To do that, simply go to Security and manage how I sign in. After clicking manage how I sign in, you will now be directed to this website, which you can now add a two-step verification process. Just hit manage, next, and you must ensure that your new code is copy and pasted whether on your notes or your desktop. Next, and now finish. Now, after enabling the two-step verification, simply scroll down until you see the app password, and now you can create a new app password. Hit on it, and in here, Microsoft would give you an app password, or you can simply create another app password. After clicking the create another app password, you would just be given another app password and hit done. And that's it. If it helps, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.